Do you think there should be a distinction between critiquing flawed methodology for an unflattering study versus promoting positive comparative results?
I think that there are different circumstances, and the level of evidence and the level of restrictions might differ amongst them. So, for example, I'll come back to your question in a moment, but the issue of should the standards around talking about safety be different than the standards about efficacy? So there could be distinctions there. Similarly, when you think about, here's a study, it compares, say, drug A with drug B, and it shows that drug A is no better than drug B, or it shows that drug A is better than drug B. And let's say you are the manufacturer of drug B, and you might not be happy with those results. So there will probably be one set of standards that would allow you to say, I believe the study was done in a particular fashion. I think there's some limitations in the methodology, and maybe the results wouldn't be generalizable to a different population of patients or a different set of circumstances. So that could be one circumstance and one level of sort of evidentiary standard. That's probably going to be more permissive and allowed much more freely than, we did a comparative effectiveness study. We found that A is better than B. I'm a maker of A, and on the basis of that not clinical trial study, to be able to go forth and say, well, look, we found this study that A is better than B. That will probably be restricted. It is certainly restricted today and will probably continue to be in the future. The current standard with the FDA for comparative claims is 2 typically well-designed clinical trials. And so something in comparative effectiveness, which is probably a database analysis or an observational study of another type, wouldn't meet that standard. And I suspect the FDA will continue to restrict how industry can talk about that.